horses out. Tabel. Pass to begin. Magna Carta. Moving a party outside. Guillermo Constatic. Deceiving. Then comes Boss Barawana. Bringer of Rain. Ebox comes next. Then followed by Desperado Reyes Angel. Then comes Kick the Can and West Dream is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Deceiving by about 3 for Balenka. Right there in second is Guillermo. Magna Carta is racing in third. Moving up by Drell now is Boss Barawana. Then comes Bringer of Rain. Running by Drell Constatic, Desperado, Ebox, Reyes Angel, Kick the Can, Tabel, and West Stream now racing in less. And it's still Deceiving by about 2 lengths. Guillermo, Boss Barawana, Magna Carta moving upon the outside board. Constatic, then comes Desperado, Boss Barawana, Magna Carta is on the outside. This to now fighting it out for the lead. Magna Carta is on the outside. Boss Barawana is running by Drell. As they come down at the last 150. Magna Carta is on the outside. Boss Barawana is running by Drell. But it's still Magna Carta by Awaralenka. Boss Barawana in second. And entering the finish line, it's Magna Carta. Boss Barawana. Constatic, Reyes Angel. Then comes number 5, Ebox, Desperado.
3-11-6.
2-5.
2-5-8.
Mabuting kabayo.